Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the color for your mouse pointer on your MacBook. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So right now, as you can see, my pointer has a black color with a outline having white color. What you want to do is you want to go to the Apple icon at the top left, click on System Setting, and then it should show something like this. Click on Accessibility, click on Display, scroll down until you find the pointer fill color. You can click on this, and then if you want to change to something else, you can click on any of the empty square here, and see my pointer is having a yellow color. If I want to make it red, it would switch to red. If I want to make it blue, it will make it blue. So if you want to change the outline color to be something else, you can do the same thing, and you can make it as having a pink outline and a blue fill color. But once you don't like it, you can always reset it by click reset, and it should come back to normal. But this is how you would change the color for your pointer. Thank you.